Okay, the doors outside are gone. The louvered doors. That's the biggest change right now. That's the generator in the background. But the louvered doors are gone, so Flash can't get past that door anymore. There's nothing to like lock up anymore. Yeah, and there's our cords from the old Jenny garage to the left of me. Bathroom to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle of the week. And then if you look in, I take the curtain down every once in a while now because people outside can't hear what I'm saying inside because the Jenny's too loud anyway. Well, this way I see them coming. Hi, Flash. Hi, good boy. Okay, so now we're going to go in. At least it keeps most of the sound out. Whew. And so everything's fucked up and meow. There's, I mean, you know, it's just everything's off the walls pretty much, and everything's everywhere pretty much, and but it's nothing substantial is what I'm saying. A lot of toys that are Flashes, a couple of trunks, and you know, stuff like that, monitors. But anyway, this place, it doesn't have any electricity except what comes on that cord, and my security is shot, and this door never really did lock, so yeah, anybody at all could just walk in here. And sometimes unsavory characters are in the neighborhood. They let me in once in a while. So that's really the end of this tour. Just wanted to show you before and after. This is definitely after. I'm looking through the camera, thinking about it before when I had a caregiver that kept everything tidy. Tidy. How neat. What's out the window, Ellen? Outdoors. Just about enough outdoors as I'm usually interested in. Usually. But this is unusual circumstances now. Right, Flash? Yeah, see? He agrees 100%. No more. Because there ain't no more. Except, of course, in infinity options, where there is more of everything. Always and never. Goodbye. Talk to ya all later.